guys, welcome back to a new video. We are currently in Serbia. We landed in yesterday at 1 o'clock, but we didn't really do much. We strolled around for a little bit and grabbed something to eat for lunch and dinner. And then I passed out at 8 o'clock because the night before I barely slept. So much needed sleep. I slept for about 10 hours this time, finally. Got the energy to do my hair a little bit and some slight makeup, just very light. Eyeliner and mascara, and I just apply some brow tint on my eyebrows just to kind of look a little decent because I've been looking like this whole time. We're at the Airbnb. It's currently around 9:30. We're gonna head out for the day. It is really cold in Serbia. We're in Belgrade, by the way. I wanted to give you guys a quick tour of our cute little Airbnb. It's so nice. And I think we're at a really good location. We're central to everything. Everything we want to go see is walking distance, and all the embassies are on the same street as us. We'll start off with the upstairs bedroom. Right in front of me is this small balcony you can go outside to. The view isn't the best because we're all the way in the back and these are just apartments. But it's just nice if you ever want to just sit out here, grab some tea, smoke a cigarette. That's in the bedroom. And we have this closet with a full-length mirror, a little TV, and this is the bed. It's a really tiny room. It's a mess. Didn't make the bed. And then you take some stairs down. Got this little plant up there. And right here is the front door, a little kitchenette with the washer and the fridge down here. Another TV and a desk to, you know, do some work, whatever. I did my makeup earlier here, my skincare. And then here's the couch. You can also sleep here if you want, if you have a third person to stay with you. They can sleep here. There's Alexander. And then the restroom. It's a nice Airbnb. It's enough for a couple of days, honestly. We're here for 3 nights and 3 days. I paid $186 for 3 nights here. I think that's pretty good considering Airbnbs in America is really expensive. I'm gonna get dressed. We're gonna get going. We have a full day to explore the city. Ready?
Are you ready?
I'm ready. It is currently 37 degrees outside. The high is of 40 today. It's cold. Oh, and it's windy.
You got your phone?
Yeah. It's windy. Not gonna lie, the entryway to our place is a little run down. It's old buildings. What do you expect? This is normal. This is safe. This is quiet. It's a quiet area. It's just so old and run down. It can look a little creepy. Stairway. This dark pathway. But it's all good. There is lots of graffiti in the city, lots of them. We are now walking to the St. Sava Church. Apparently it's one of the biggest churches in Europe. It's a 15-minute walk from our place. See you guys there. This weather is so opposite from Cyprus.
Oh yeah, Texas is not as cold right now.
It's so pretty. There's a lot of construction work happening, but that's okay. It's so different seeing it online versus seeing it in person.
Yeah, they said it's big, but you don't realize how big it is.
Yeah.
It's
go inside.
Smart. It's church.
This is beautiful.
This is basically reproduction of Hagia Sophia in a modern Christianity.
It is so pretty in here.
I think this is
Stunning.
my favorite church ever.
Favorite church?
No, I mean temple, whatever you call it. Mostly, it's just beautiful.
Yeah.
I think it's more beautiful than Hagia Sophia. I know Hagia Sophia has the history, but this is just
The video
phenomenal.
doesn't do its justice.
Yeah, it doesn't. You gotta be here.
It's huge.
That's where they have mass, I think.
Church bells ringing. That was nice. We're at the Cafe Inn Factory and I love their menu. Their menu is so cute. Every time I think of espresso now, I think of his cousin. So shout out to you. I am getting the tiramisu iced coffee. Barista recommended this one. He said it's really good. And then Alexander just got a hot chocolate. Like cocktails, like they got the Alexander cocktail. They got the Black Russian. Okay. They got some sweets, desserts, sandwiches. This cafe is right across the street from the church back there. Tiramisu iced coffee.
Hopefully it's better than Turkey tiramisu.
Turkey? Tiramisu?
You forgot how terrible it was? Dry.
I didn't get the coffee.
No, tiramisu, the drink. No, the cake.
Cake? Oh yeah, the cake was really dry. This is a drink.
Yeah.
This is different. I did not expect the iced coffee to look like this.
Hot chocolate. It's like literally melted chocolate.
Oh my god, his hot chocolate is like this.
It's straight up hot chocolate, like chocolate.
Literally just melted chocolate. Whoa. You can dip it with the croissant. Get some croissant, but look at this beautiful display of tiramisu iced coffee. Wow. I did not expect this at all. Now I got chocolate croissant. Is it too hot, right?
No, it's so good.
That was amazing.
I can eat like
Dipping this into that. And this is so good too. Okay, now we are currently at the shopping center, one of the main shopping centers here in Belgrade.
It's called
I'm not gonna even try to pronounce it. I know I'm gonna say it wrong. So I'll just put it down here for you guys. But we took a taxi because it's cold.
And it's a far walk.
And it would be like a 35-minute walk.
Hey, hell no, we're not ready for that.
So
I'm
gotta save our energy for other things.
I am riding around.
I feel like every city has their main shopping center area.
Yes.
On a mission to get some gloves because it's cold. What do you think?
It's up to you.
Get like a basic one, like a brown one. Freaking Alexander came up to the security guard asking if they have gloves here. Oh my god! You can tell he he's foreign. Going up to anybody he sees asking. I'm like, babe, he's a security guard. He doesn't work in H&M. Oh, look at all these pigeons. These are thick pigeons. Don't poop on me. It's a handmade festival. Arctica. Eee! Oh, these are nice. That wiener dog shirt reminds me of Christine. These fun earrings and necklaces. Another shopping center here at the end of the strip.
Guys, don't be afraid coming in the center. There's so many exchange places for money. It's better rates here. But look at this one. Come here. Look at that. The wall.
He's trying some more Serbian sausage. This lady from Australia, she recommended
That is the best.
to try it. It's kind of like German, she said. German sausage.
German and Polish, yeah.
Yeah. Here's the toppings he can put in.
Some onions.
It's like $5, right?
Yeah.
Taste test.
It's good.
Is the sausage better than the one we had last night for dinner?
To be honest, yeah. This is on point.
I'm glad. Enjoy. This shopping center smells so nice. But Alexander really likes his sausage.
It's good. I'm eating bread, but man, it's so.
You can't avoid bread here. You just can't. Of course, we gotta try their McDonald's here. Y'all, they got pistachio McFlurries.
Look at
They
that.
have like deluxe McFlurries and have about plus 10 flavors. I'm gonna show you. It's new. And then we also got spicy chicken nuggets. This is also new. Oh my god, they have like chicken wings here. Their menu is huge.
And I got sour cream is amazing with French fries. That's what I'm gonna eat it with.
Just a little snack, but let's try the pistachio McFlurry right now. Like you say, it's bombalicious.
Is it? When I say bombalicious, I mean it's the best.
I mean,
Go.
this one and the Lotus Biscoff, top two. Spicy chicken nugget. Oh, it's too hot. Spicy chicken nuggets. Yes.
Is it good? Is it way better than the regular ones?
Yeah. All of this is $12. It's not too bad. There's another beautiful church here. So nice. Hey, we went back to the Airbnb. What are you gonna do when I'm filming? Anyways, we went back to the Airbnb to rest up for, I'll say about 2 hours. We're gonna head out. We're gonna go check out the Nikola Tesla Museum, which is just down the street from us. And Alexander got me some gloves. Well,
I don't know stretch.
I don't even know if these are considered gloves. These are fingerless.
There is gloves, baby.
Fingerless gloves. I'll show you guys. Aren't they cute? It's the brown ones that you guys saw earlier, and it's handmade, 100% wool, so definitely keeps me warm. $15. Yes. Thanks, babe. It is too cold to not wear gloves or mittens, whatever you guys want to call it. Here's the restaurant we're having for dinner. So we skipped out on the museum for now because the next opening isn't until 6 p.m. and it's $8 per person, and it's cash payment only. And we only have a certain amount of cash that we have, so we want to use it accordingly. He gave us a basket full of bread. Me and Alexander already ate like 2 big ones. This is so much bread. I got the pear steak, but it's more of a schnitzel than anything. These are really sad fries. Not the best. I will give this place a 5 out of 10.
I like my sausage, so I'll give it like 6.
A little disappointed. I wanted like actual steak. And I was wondering why he didn't ask me like, how do I want my steak cooked? This is why. I got a damn schnitzel. Alright, we're back at the Airbnb, showered. We're gonna call it a night. We're gonna watch this movie on Netflix called The Pale Blue Eye with Christian Bale. Number 2 in movies today. Here it is. I'm gonna watch it and I'm gonna snack on some M&Ms while we watch it. And that is our first night in Belgrade. See you guys in the next one for part 2. Thanks for watching. Bye.